Hello, this is Cooper from Weather for BMW. This is a part 2 to the other video we previously launched about the climate control settings. We wanted to make preconditioning its own video because it is more in depth. We have preconditioning right here. If you don't know how to get there, like our previous video, go to Climate menu. Right here, Climate menu. You can go from anywhere. Settings. Preconditioning. Preconditioning. So there's two different types of preconditioning. There's on a hybrid or electric car. Or there's another option going to be on gas vehicles. So if it's a hybrid or electric car, you can precondition it. What this does will heat up the battery as well as it'll put the AC or heat on depending on whatever temperature you left it at. You can set it as a one-time thing. You could do it through the My BMW app, or you could do a regular occurrence. You can have something called precondition for departure. Like it says here, activates preconditioning for departure time. I always recommend for electric and hybrid users, if you are going to be able to plug in at night, you can set it to regularly precondition about 5-10 minutes before you leave. Best is 15, and it will then be pre-warmed up in your car. It'll be drawing power from the house, so then you get the most range because your battery is warmed up. If it is a gas car, on the other hand, you can have remote engine start, or if you don't have remote engine start, what it does is it just fans out the car. It doesn't use any AC or heating system for the vehicle, but it'll at least get the air in the car. If it's remote engine start, it would be an option right down here. There'll be another video on how to activate that. But if it did have it, you'd be able to, for example, have the remote engine start up the car. It turns on the engine for maximum 15 minutes, and it will actually use the car's AC and heat system to get the car to that temperature that you had it set as. Again, this is Cooper from Weather for BMW. I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful rest of your day.